Hey everyone, Nick Bates here, and in today's video, we're going to go over enhancements for ganging equipment in an event. For those of you who do not know what ganging is in IndySoft, it allows for you to add multiple assets to an event with varying information per asset versus processing them all with the same information. Let's get started. First things first, let's go up here and open up workflow configuration. All right, inside of here, we'll go to Event tabs, scroll on down to bottom Event panel, click Equipment Review Report, and select the report that you would like to see. Next, go to Step 5, Miscellaneous, and make sure that no ganging is not checked. Save your changes and hit Finish. All right, now let's go ahead and go to the flow and run an event or the event that I edited. So we're going to grab these two pieces and run this calibration event. And as you can see, now we have those two assets showing up down here. And they're going to give you some additional information that is pointing to that report that I selected in the workflow configuration. Now, the really cool feature here is as we're clicking through, of course, you can continue to see this information. But specific to ganging, we weren't always able to do that. So now when we go and hit this gang equipment option, all of the assets that are added to the event turn into individual tabs. So now we have this TL987 and TL994 as separate tabs. So you can go through each step, add your individual information that pertains to that asset. But you're not losing sight on all the equipment that you're processing through this event. And those are the batch editing enhancements that we have right now in 14. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.